this is the backyard. On the right is a red twig dogwood all across here. Actually, it's red twig and alternating yellow twig in here. So I pruned it back a little bit there, good. And then here it is after pruning. This is after the cleanup. So it's pretty good. Yeah, very good. Very good here. Lifted that one. Look, the path is so much more clear. This is very good. Good. There's a vine maple here. Oops, I need to take that stake out. The San Bruno golden aster and the manzanitas. Very good. This is a sentinel, and see all the buds on there? There's going to be a lot of gorgeous pink blooms soon. So, and here's the unknown manzanita. I can't think of the name of it. Hopefully somebody can tell me. See what it looks like. It's got hairy glandular leaves, very glandular leaves. You see the top leaves. Hopefully somebody can tell me what it was. There's a non-native fern that was there before. And here's a big Eve Case coffee berry. And a carpentaria. And there's a lot of things down here that are gonna come back. But oh, this fern should come out there. But oh, it's much better than it was. So, good, and they did what they could over here. Okay, that looks decent. Good, at least it's usable now. So, okay. I realized after I did this that, this is my first video, really. I didn't do any sort of introduction or anything. But this is a yard that we put in 5 or 6 years ago. No, 7 or 8 years ago in the back, and then 5 or 6 years ago in the front. So pretty simple, but it's a nice landscape. I think a lot of very nice manzanitas. So good. All right.